Hi guys, welcome back to another video and I'm hoping you all guys will be well exuberant and I'm hoping you have watched all previous part of this series and this is part 12 and you will also enjoy this part of this series. So let's get started. So our first word is alone. It is an adjective. If something is alone, they are not with another person. The boy wanted to be alone to think. Apartment. It is a noun. An apartment is a set of rooms in a building where people live. She has a nice apartment in the city. Article. Article is a noun. An article is a story in a newspaper or magazine. Did you read the article in the newspaper about the soccer game? Next word is artist. Artist is a noun. An artist is a person who paints, draws, or makes sculptures. He went to Paris to become an artist. Attitude, it is a noun. Someone's attitude is the way they feel and think. John has a bad attitude. He is always angry. Compare, it is a verb. To compare means to say how two things are the same and different. If you are compare cats and dogs, you will see that they are both good pets. Judge. Judge it is a verb. That to judge something is to say if it is good or bad. The boy was going to judge how his mother's turkey tasted. Next word is magazine. It is a noun. A magazine is a regular publication with news, stories, and articles. She likes to read fashion magazines. Next word is material. It is a noun. A material is what is used to make something. Brick is a material for building houses. Next word is meal. Meal is a noun. A meal is a time when food is off eaten, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Breakfast is my favorite meal because I enjoy breakfast foods. Next word is method. It is a noun. A method is the way to do something. One method to remember things is to tie a string around your finger. Neighbor, it is a noun. A neighbor is a person who lives near you. I like my neighbor because he is very friendly. Professional, it is an adjective. If something is professional, it deals with work that uses skills, special skills. If you want to be a pilot, you must have professional training. Next word is profile. It is a noun. A profile is the extra money you make when you sell something. I made a small profit from selling my old clothes. Quality. Quality is a noun. The quality of something is how good it is. The quality of his car is very good. Shape, it is a noun. A shape is a simple from like a square or circle. The triangle is my favorite shape. Space, it is a noun. A space is an empty area. I don't have much space for things in my small house. Stair. Stairs are the things that are used to go up and in a building. You can take a stairs to the second floor. Symbol. A symbol is a thing that stands for something else. This symbol tells us that we cannot smoke in this area. Thin. It is an adjective. Something or someone. If sorry, wait. Thin. Thin it is an adjective. If someone or something is thin, they are not fat. The man was thin because he didn't eat much. So guys, let's jump into the story. So guys, again I'm asking that do you want me to do this to make you understand like exercises and reading comprehension each and every series? So please let me know by doing comment. Okay, I hope you got it guys. So let's jump into the story. The title of the story, The Crazy Artist, Freenhofer was the best artist in the world. Everyone loved him. The quality of his paintings was very high. He always used the best materials. He made a big profit from his paintings. He had delicious meals with his rich neighbors. He taught art classes. Life was good. Then his attitude changed. He stopped selling up paintings and teaching. He tried a new method of painting. He stayed alone in his apartment all day. He worked all day and all night, rarely eating. Rarely eating. Soon, Frenofer became very thin, but he kept working on the same painting for many years. He worked as hard as he could. Finally, he finished the painting. He was very happy and invited other artists to see it. I want your professional opinion. He said he wanted them to judge it and compare it to other paintings. Everyone was very excited as they went up the stairs to his apartment. Freno was excited to show his painting, and the artists were excited to see it. They will love it, he thought, but they did not. They were surprised by his painting. There was no white anywhere. Frenofer filled the whole painting with lines and colors. There was no space for a normal picture. It was full of strange shapes. It looked bad to the others artists. He used symbols and they didn't understand them. They thought it was terrible. Why did you paint this strange picture? Someone asked. They didn't understand its beauty, but after some time many people began to like his painting. People wrote article about it in magazines. They said it was his best work. They loved his strange symbols. They loved has strange colors. Frenofer's painting reminded everyone that just because something was new didn't mean that it was bad. He also helped them to realize that sometimes it takes people a little time to understand great things. So, guys, today's story was very nice. What did you learn? I hope you learned many things from this. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked today series. If you liked, so please thumb up this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure you have subscribed and activate bell icon so that you will get upcoming video notification in your inbox. Okay guys, I hope you got it, and guys, keep connected. Okay, this series will there will be a lot of videos will be uploaded every day. So you make sure you have subscribed the channel if you really want to improve your vocabulary, stories, and etc. Okay, I hope you got it, guys. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, be happy, keep smiling, and never give up. Bye guys.